Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Solutions and Innovations. Page number 23 to 25. Solution for Unit 1. Reading for Specific Purpose by Sir Tahir Bilal Ahmed. Page number 23.
Skimming. Skimming means reading quickly through a passage in order to gain a clear understanding of its content, in particular by using clues from headings, subheadings, etc. Scanning. Scanning means reading sections of the article more closely to ensure understanding of the most important points relating to the overall meaning.
Page number 23. Reading for Specific Purposes. Nature is our mother, our first teacher. The greatest lessons that she teaches us is to maintain an equilibrium in life. We learn to maintain composure through our joys, sorrows, and fears. In fact, there are 1,000 lessons that nature can teach us, provided we look for them. With time, a sapling grows into a full grown tree. Something so tiny and delicate develops into a strong tree capable of supporting others. No matter how tall it grows, how much it may flourish, or how many animals and birds it may support, its roots are firmly buried from where it once rose. That's a lesson to keep ourselves grounded. Respect and embrace our roots and give something back to those humble beginnings that nurtured us into who we are. Then there is the message of peaceful coexistence. I am because we are. Nature provides every creature a chance to exist. However, the existence of one creature or being depends on the existence of the other. The tiger eats the antelope. Without the antelope, the tiger wouldn't survive. Likewise, without tigers, the overabundance of antelopes would cause them to starve to death. I wonder if you have noticed that when birds or squirrels see a predator, they give out an alarm call to their fellow creatures of the lurking danger. They put themselves in danger to save the lives of others. Many animals, like the salmon, usually die after they swim. But this doesn't stop them. One life extinguished for the betterment of others is a small price to pay. The snow melts in the warmth of spring to give birds to fresh green leaves. In autumn, these leaves age into shades of gold only to be buried in the cold grave of winter. Change is inevitable. The sooner we embrace this, the better it is for us. We must also understand that even in pain, there is growth. If you cut a hole in a tree, it will grow around it. No matter what may come in its way, a river will continue to flow. Page number 24, Vocabulary. Based on your understanding of the passage, answer the questions by choosing the correct option. A. According to the author, the form the following: what is the greatest lesson being taught by nature? A is the correct option. B. Which of the following is shown by the changing of seasons? Q is the correct option. Page number 25. C. What does the writer advise in paragraph 6? U is the correct option. D. Choose the option that lists the quote that best describes the central idea of the passage. A is the correct option. For further solutions, please watch the next video on Solutions and Innovations by Sir Tahir Bilal Ahmed.